Somebody once told me the
This time the ice cream is bitter.
Hey.
Ooh.
Did you fall asleep at work? Give me a bouquet of the most beautiful flowers. I need to make a very beautiful girl fall in me. Let's not be bitter. I can pay for a broken vase. Okie, look at Zubul without a swimsuit.
Hey.
Smells better than ice cream. I think Pomni should like it. Pomni, I have something for you. You're at home. I'm coming in. I hope you're not sleeping.
Bruh.
Oh, why did I wear blue panties today? I hope no one sees me in this state. I need to leave here urgently.
Somebody once told me the word.
Oh no, not Jax. I don't want him to see me like this.
Well, who is it that is stuck here with his blue panties?
I tried to climb over the fence and accidentally got caught.
I'm ready to help you, if you leave me your blue panties.
But these are my favorite panties.
Why didn't you just open the gate? If you don't want to give them to me, then I'll take them myself. These are now my new favorite panties. They think I'll just let them train in peace. Oh, they're so wrong. Hey girls, Daddy Jax is back with you. Get ready to beg for mercy.
What makes you think that you are Daddy? You are the weakest in the circuit.
Any of us is stronger than you, so you're not Daddy here, you're Mommy.
I'm stronger than both of you. If you want to see this, let's have a competition. Whoever loses will be punished. The first test will be who can jump further.
Okay. My time!
What the hell?
I forgot that rabbits are good at jumping.
Jax the rabbit? I thought he was a gopher.
It's time for punishment.
Squirrel, come to me!
Regatha, where are you?
No, I'm stuck.
You've gotta help me! I'm stuck!
I've been waiting for this moment. Finally, my dream will come true.
I'm on, King. I'll bet you $20. If you lose, I'll turn you into a pawn. Give me back my $20.
Bruh.
I will punish you now.
Hello, Kane.
Oh my god. What? Who are you people? What the is going on?
I hope this time no one will break or blow up my fortress. After the last incident with the glowings, I collected all my pillows. Honestly, I'm already starting to think about finding a safer place in this circus. Ah! Oh! It's you, Pomni. What's wrong with you? You look somehow different. Are you by any chance sick? And I hope it's not contagious. Could you take a few steps back from me? Oh, what is this for me? Ona Saganya Strani Kamabich no. I hope she doesn't think of destroying my fortress. I hope this time no one will break or blow up my fortress. To wash my hands urgently, otherwise I might get something from this crazy woman.
It's time for new open doors. What? Someone humiliates Coroller without me. Now we will see what is in the subtle room. Very, very strange. It fits all the other 15 rooms that... What the fuck? Where did you get it from? Give it to me. Get out of here. I'm going to have fun now. What the fuck? Why won't this damn door open?